How to turn existing topics to videos. If you use the CCMS to create your topics, you can turn these topics into videos directly. This is an export of such a topic. It's a combination of an XML file and some pictures. After upload, via drag and drop or using the API, our document parser understands your files and turns the topic into a production. Now, the topic gets queued for creating an initial preview of your video. You see that the preview is queued and that the fragments get created. Your text has now been brought to speech. This way the timeline of your video is created. Your content is rendered to the preview video, based on your branded video templates. The text has become the voiceover, might be shown on screen as well, and available images appear on screen. Also, the caption file is created at the same time. This way each step of the procedure becomes a separate video fragment. These various fragments together will make your video title. Currently you see still images on screen. These images came along with the upload and were probably used in the printed version of this topic. You can leave the video like it is now. We call this kind of video an image-based video. But you can also replace these still images by other or extra images, or replace them with video footage or animations. Either way, without any effort or additional investment, you already have a very clean and clear video in the native language. How to turn existing topics to videos.